guys, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go. In this video we will see how to screencast an Android phone to the Windows laptop. So we need to have a Connect application in a Windows to screencast mobile to the laptop. So first let's go to the settings in Windows. So in settings just click on system settings. So in the left side you will be seeing a menu. In that you will be seeing a projecting to this PC. Just click on this one, projecting to this PC. So here you can notice project your Windows phone or PC to the screen, use its keyboard, mouse and other devices too. Add the wireless display option feature to project to this PC. So we need to have a wireless display feature to display an Android screen to this laptop. So just click on optional features. So these are all installed features. So we need to have a wireless display feature. So just add a feature. So here just search wireless. You will be seeing a wireless display. Just select it and install. So make sure you have internet connection. Just connect it. Now it's getting installed wireless display. So the installation is about to complete. So you need to have the wireless display feature to display the Android screen to this PC. So now it's saying it is installed. Let's go back. So now here you can see launch the Connect app to project to this PC. So and you also should be enable this PC can be discovered for projection only when it's plugged in a power source. And you can change all these options. And now launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Now our Windows laptop is ready to project the Android screen. Now let's go to a mobile and try to connect this laptop. Now we have opened a Connect app in our laptop to screencast an Android phone. So now let's go to our phone settings and just search for screen mirroring or screencasting. Just type mirroring, then you can see the options. Here you can see screen mirroring. Just click on that and just enable screen mirroring. So here it is demanding to turn on Wi-Fi first. So just switch on Wi-Fi and connect to the network and just go back and again enable it. So it is searching the devices which is available to connect. Here you can see we have got a device desktop. So just connect it. So it is connecting. So here you can see Vivo 1851 is about to project. So now you can see it is screen is casted in the laptop. So now whatever action we do here, it will be visible. So just open my YouTube channel and play some video. You can go to playlists, just play any video. Now the audio is coming from a laptop, not the mobile. So this is how we can screencast our Android phone to the Windows laptop. So some content will be restricted. Suppose if you open any Hotstar and play some video, it can't be played in the laptop because that is restricted by the app. Certain app is there like Telugu Aha app. If you play any video, it won't be reflected. So if you play any here, you can see the video is played in the mobile but not in the laptop because this app restricts its content to screencast. I hope you like this video and understood how to screencast. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.